Hey guys, what's going on? So it's that time of year again. Right now I'm putting the hard top back on my Jeep Wrangler, and the inside of it's really dirty, and we were scrubbing it with some cleaner and some paper towels that are just smudging, coming out horrible. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing right now to clean the inside of my Freedom top on my Wrangler, and an easy way to remove any of the dirt and scuffs you might have on the inside of that thing. So it's kind of going along, and I kind of wanted to show you guys before and after. So I have a generic magic eraser sponge right here. I think I got them from Target. And just a bucket. I'm just using a bucket with some soap and water in it. Just have some Dawn in there with a little bit of water. And I'm just using my sponge right here. And I'm cleaning off the top. And you can see like all the crud and grime that's coming out of the inside of this thing. So when you're sitting in your Jeep and you look up at your Freedom top, you're free of dirt. So it doesn't take long to do. I hosed these off to get any of the heavy stuff off first. I've been just kind of banging around with the sponge to get into all the nooks and crannies. Then I'm gonna rinse them off afterwards. My other top is right here, and probably take me about not even 10 minutes to do these, clean them all up and get them looking halfway decent again. So that is my quick tip of the day for all you Jeep guys. Hope you enjoy it, and anytime I find something, a shortcut, something easy to do for you, I'll throw it up on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and if you have a question, leave a comment. Thanks.